Ibn Arabi, 1165 to 1240 CE, also known as Muhyiddin ibn Arabi and Sheikh al-Akbar, the greatest master, was a highly influential Sufi mystic, philosopher, and poet born in Al-Andalus, present-day Spain. He is considered one of the most important figures in the history of Sufism and Islamic thought. Wahdat al-wujud, the unity of being. This is perhaps Ibn Arabi's most famous and controversial doctrine. It posits that all of existence is fundamentally one reality, which is God. The diverse forms and phenomena we perceive are seen as manifestations or self-disclosures of this single, ultimate reality. This doesn't mean everything is God in a literal sense, but rather that everything derives its being and reality from Him. The perfect man, al-insan al-kamil. Ibn Arabi developed a complex concept of the perfect man, who embodies the fullness of God's attributes and acts as a microcosm of the universe. The Prophet Muhammad is considered the ultimate perfect man, and other saints and realized individuals can also attain aspects of this station. Cosmology and metaphysics. He developed an intricate cosmology that explains the emanation of the universe from the divine reality through various stages and principles. His metaphysics explores the relationship between the transcendent God and the immanent divine presence within creation. Symbolism and imagination. Ibn Arabi's writings are rich in symbolism and make extensive use of the imaginal realm, alam al-khayal, an intermediary realm between the purely spiritual and the material. He saw this realm as crucial for understanding mystical experiences and the inner meanings of sacred texts. Influence. Ibn Arabi's ideas have had a profound and lasting impact on Sufism and Islamic thought, influencing countless mystics, poets, and scholars. His work has also attracted increasing